Hello guys, welcome to the Light Crypto. Now in this video we want to talk about how to sell your CPen on Bitmart exchange. So I expected you by now that you should have transferred your Bitmart from your wallet, maybe Trust Wallet or MetaMask wallet, into Bitmart exchange. So we want to go step by step. It's just a little step on how to sell your Bitmart. How to sell your CPen in Bitmart exchange. So what you need to click on trade, because what you want to do is that you want to trade your CPen to USDT. So you click on trade. So after clicking on trade, you will see something like BTC USDT at the top. So you click on that. So once you click on that, you come into the search bar and search for CPen. So I'll search for it. So it's going to show me CPen. So CPen is at the top anyways. So you can also search for CPen and then click on CPen. So once you click on CPen, you're going to have it like this. So and you can see you have buy and you also have sell. So you have to choose sell because you want to sell the CPen to USDT. So you click on sell. So once you click on sell, so now even you can still unction. There is what we call unction before the market comes live. So if you believe CPen is going to do 0 point, you can see I leave it at limit order. So if you want to sell immediately, you can change the limit order to market order. So it makes you to sell at a particular price, but with a little lower than what the price is. But if you want to sell at a particular price, so you just have to change the market order to limit order. So but once you get here, you will see it on limit order. So now below the limit order, you see the actual price of CPen right now is 0.003 because liquidity has not been added. So we are believing that once liquidity is added, it's going to go up more than this. So now what you do, you can do it now or you can do it later when CPen is listed. So now you are going to set your own price at the price that you think CPen might be listing. So for me, I set the price at 0.3. So that's where I set the price. I set it at 0.3. Then if you want to sell 100%, so you have to draw this point down to this point. So I'm going to draw it down. So that's 100% of everything I have. So so you can draw it to 50% if you want to sell 50%. So once you do that, then you click on sell. So once it gets to that point, it's going to sell. So if you don't want to wait to get to any point to sell, I'm going to say it again, just change this limit order, click on it and change it to market order. So I'm going to click market order. I'm going to click. So if I should click on sell right now, it's going to sell. It might not sell now, but it's going to sell at that at this particular price once it is listed. So you don't do that now, but when it is listed at the price where it is listed, once you click on market or once you change to market and you draw this to 100% and click on sell, it's going to sell everything. But for me, I'm going to leave it. I'm going to change the market order to limit order. So and set my price. So I've set my price already. I've set my price already to 0.003. I'm going to draw it down and I'll click on sell. Okay, they said triggered not started, so I will continue to check. Maybe I think about 30 minutes to there should be a trigger. So I'm going to try and set the trigger for my own time. So for my own price. So but I'm believing that at least it should sell at around 0.3. So please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel if you are watching from YouTube. If you are watching from my X, Twitter. Please kindly follow me for more updates like this. On the Light Crypto today, I'd like to say bye for now. Bye for now.